Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life, and we are back shopping at Aldi. There are some really great new arrivals, and let's check them out. Starting at $4.99, the mini gnome or the hedgehog for Halloween. And check out these Halloween leggings, $6.99. What a great price. Small all the way up to XL. These are nice, and they feel like velvet, but so cute and stretchy. They look like they'd be super comfortable, and they look perfect for the Halloween season. At $6.99, LED floating witch hats. Those are cute. And for $14.99, okay, this is huge. This is 25 feet of spider web and spiders. So that is nice, especially for outside. At $7.99, the shoe rack. So this is nice because you can stack them up, but I'm just going to get one. I'm going to get one for my husband because that is all he really needs right now. And for $10, this bamboo, the basket, I like that it folds away. So when you don't need it, it's easy storage. That's actually really nice. There are some really nice treasures here at Aldi. Now this is $14.99. Bamboo the hamper. Oh, I like that. That matches the basket as well. That is a good size. And for $6.99, the glass pumpkin candles. Oh, these are really pretty because once they burn down, you could reuse that container. You have 2 wicks inside. It smells really pretty. And when I say pretty, yeah, it's a nice, pleasant smell. Now, $6.99, you have the stainless steel bottles. $3.99, here's some more of the Halloween. Oh, how cute. You have the pumpkin, you have the bat, you have a skull, the ghost, and a spider. And this is a good way to, decorate without, having to break the budget. And then now for $10 is the Halloween bats. This is interesting. Of course, they're on the top shelf. They piled them up so high, so it's really hard for me to, grab one out. But I do have a few like that I've gotten in the previous years. I just reuse them. And then for $10, the bamboo drawer dividers. Okay, my daughter has a new dresser, so we're trying to get everything organized. And so I'm going to grab some of these. I'll keep you posted on how well these work out. But I like that because then she could separate some items, and so that is not too bad of a price. Yeah, $10. And then for $10, the energy saving window curtain. You have 2 choices. You have the gray or the cream. Now it's 1 panel, so 84 inches long. Those are nice because they do save on energy, especially if you have that room like we have that room that just the sun is on it all day and it gets super warm. Now I like these, the metal jack-o'-lantern, and it has the candle in there. Both of those are super cool. I got some very similar to these from Sam's Club. I got a set of 3. But I like those. So you have a choice between orange or black. They're sold separately for $14.99. Now for $8.99, the Halloween wax warmer. So if you use these, you could, change them out every season. And those are nice and spooky. $1.69 for the Halloween wax melts. The perfect pumpkin, magic potion, the full moon, and the candy corn infusion. Now for $6.99, here's some more of the ultra plush leggings, small to XL. So you have them in gray or in black. Oh, I like these. I have so many leggings, and all my leggings are 90% of my leggings are black, but because they match with everything. But these feel super cozy. I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna pass, but if I see these next week, then it's gonna be a sign for me to get them. But I do like this. I like the feel of them. And then we have the ladies, the long cardigan sweater. So here, I like the sizes. Those are really nice because they put exactly, not just X large, but what other sizes to compare. So there's about, whoa, be careful pulling that out. There's 3 different styles. And so those are actually feel pretty nice. Now, Aldi does have a great return policy. Just hold on to your receipt. Now, for $10, I really wish I could pull this look off. The faux leather leggings. I can't pull this look off. But if I could, I would. But I know I can't. Sometimes we know what we could pull off and what we can't. But from small to XL, but those would be great with some really nice boots. And then 30 pack the Velvet Touch hangers. It's got that flock on there, which is nice because they're slim. They're going to keep your clothes from sliding off. $10 for 30 pieces. That is a really good price. And if you need a safe, yes, that waterproof fire safe. This is a must-have for every home because there's documents that if anything happened, you do not want, they're not replaceable. But $25 for that price is such a good price. And of course, the fire extinguisher. This is one of the items that's good to have. You hope to never use it though. But if you need to, it will be here. And then make sure if you do have one, double check the expiration date. $16.99. Because they don't last forever. And then for $14.99, you have the smoke alarm or the carbon monoxide alarm. So there's the carbon monoxide, and then here's the smoke. So they're sold separately. Get that back in there. Those are good to have. And I know we had a relative who their neighbor's house caught on fire, so it's always best to be prepared. And for $24.99, blood pressure monitor. Those are good to have on hand as well. And at $14.99, the pulse, double check your oxygen. Now, last time I had my blood pressure tested, they put it around my wrist. It was so much more comfortable than around the arm. But yeah, there we go. Normal, caution, and get to the doctor. Don't mess around, especially if you took those and you didn't know you had high blood pressure. Yeah, and always kind of double check, because sometimes when I go, I get anxiety, and then my blood pressure is a little higher, and then they test me out 10 minutes later, it's much lower. Now, the cast iron pans, those are selling out so fast, but how fun is this? $4.99, the slime. Okay, this one right here, the jam and jelly. That one is really cool. Like, if my daughter was here, I know she would be asking for that. But with the slime, we have carpet. I just don't want to take any chances. Now, the humidifier, those are always good to have on hand. $19.99. That's a great price. And for $6.99, these plastic containers. I like these because there's so many good uses, not just for food, but maybe for detergents or other items. Those are always good to have on hand. And 6 pieces, but they're including the lids with this one. And then the wire basket. I like these, except they're all kind of really in there together. So I'm not gonna work too hard at getting it out, but here it is right on the side. So it's not the hugest, but it's a pretty good size. $9.99. I used to have one like that for my magazines. I do miss getting magazines. And then for $9.99, these baskets look nice. Of course, these are stuck together too. Okay, I'm gonna work at this one. I think there's 2 different sizes. Okay, let me keep at it. And yeah, just keep going. This is actually really cute. Perfect for this time of year, or for any time of year, honestly. And that's a nice little decorative piece. I would have put food in there. Now for $30, this is going to be a hot item. Years and years ago, I used to run a little dress boutique. I could have totally used this. And this is so cute. And it folds away, which is perfect. And it's a bamboo garment rack. I like that. And for $20, we're going to go right all the way up here. These are fun to have. Yeah, it's a storage ottoman. And you have 3 colors to choose from. You have brown, gray, and black. I like those options. And you can use those for any room. And then here's another one, the comfort cushion. I probably personally can use this. What is the price? Okay, it's $20. Especially if you're sitting down, you know, if you're working at your desk, you definitely want to keep, you know, I mean, I know for my back is super sensitive. I've had back issues since my early 20s, so I always have to try to keep, you know, try to take care of it as best as I can. So the comfort cushion. And then for $14.99, these are adorable as well. They're like little footstools. And you have different patterns to choose from. I like this one. This is like a black and cream. And then we have a cream right there. And then a little bit more of a beige in the back. And for $30, you could pose this skeleton. How fun is that? Especially if you want it sitting on your porch. That is cool, especially for the price. Now, some of the items, if you're thinking I'm not showing them, I'll put a link to my previous Aldi videos. And now for $2.99, this looks interesting. Salted caramel apple spread. Huh. My grandmother used to always eat apple butter. I don't see apple butter too often, but here's the pumpkin butter. So lots of great fall flavor items. $2.49. Here's your pumpkin bread. So if you're looking for something really easy, that is good to have on hand. And for $3.29, these actually sound pretty good. The toffee pretzels. This is the milk chocolate. Those could be good. That's a good size. I like that it's a small bag. And $6.99. This is the tea. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we saw the coffee. I like the tea collection. Oh, chai tea is one of my favorites. Orange, pomegranate, apple caramel, and then chamomile honey. There's a lot of great ones here. And then the fall mug. Oh, how cute are these little toppers? I know we see a lot during like more when it comes to like Christmas, but this one is perfect for the fall. You got the leaf and the pumpkin. And it's a crunchy caramelized cookie design. What a great idea. That's perfect for your pumpkin spice latte. I like those. And at $3.29, the apple strudel is back. I got these last year. They're so good. They have raisins in them, but they're so good. And honestly, like, there's 2 in there. Just cut them in half. One will feed 2 people. At $9.49, we have a box of the chicken tenders. And so they're breaded with the panko. Those could be really good. This is a good size box. And for $3.89, it's new. The Synergy, the raw kombucha. Now, normally I do get the ginger ale. That was actually really good. But this one is a new one. The Vital C. So I'm going to try that one. I'll keep you posted. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today, checking out all the new items. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.